Hi everyone, welcome back to MadeEasy. I'm Jane, and in today's Power BI tutorial, we're going to learn how to create and customize a table visual in Power BI. While charts like scatter plots or tree maps are great for high-level visual summaries, stakeholders often need to see exact, row-level numbers. That's where the table visual shines. It displays your data in a simple, grid-based layout of rows and columns, making it easy to drill down into detailed transaction metrics. Let's get started. I already have the Sample Superstore dataset loaded into Power BI. First, make sure you are in the Report view on the left-hand menu bar. Now, take a look over at the Visualizations pane on the right side of your screen. Look for the icon that looks like a small grid or spreadsheet. That is the table visual. Go ahead and click it. A blank table is now added to the report canvas. Since no fields have been assigned yet, the table is currently empty. With our table visual selected, look at the data well under the Visualizations pane. You'll notice there is just one primary bucket, called columns. Let's head over to the data pane on the far right and open our orders table. Let's drag in a mix of categorical dimensions and numerical measures. First, find category and drag it directly into the columns bucket. Next, let's grab subcategory and drop it right underneath category. Now, let's add our metrics. Find sales and drag it into columns. Let's also grab quantity, drag that in. And finally, let's bring in profit and drop it right at the bottom of our data list. Look at how the table populates on the canvas. Power BI automatically groups the dataset by category and subcategory, aggregates the sales, quantity, and profit for each item, and generates a grand total row at the bottom. Now, let's look at how interactive this table is right out of the box. If you click on any column header, for example, let's click on Sales, Power BI instantly sorts the entire table from highest sales to lowest sales. Click it again, and it reverses to ascending order. If you want to reorder your columns, you don't have to delete anything. Simply go to the Columns bucket in the Visualizations pane, click and drag Profit above Quantity, and the table layout updates instantly on your screen. Now, let's make this table look clean and executive-ready by applying some formatting and conditional color scale. With the table selected, click on the Format Your Visual tab. That's the paintbrush icon in the Visualizations pane. Expand the Style Presets card. Here, you can change the table style from default to minimal, bold header, or condensed to fit your report aesthetics. Let's select Bold Header for clean contrast. You can do a lot more visual editing here. Next, let's highlight our profit performance. Go back to Column bucket. Right-click the Profit field inside the Columns bucket. Go to Conditional Formatting and select Background Color. Set the format style to Gradient. Base it on the Profit field. Choose a light red for lowest values and a light green for highest values. Then click OK. Look at the table now. Our stakeholders can immediately spot unprofitable subcategories, like tables, highlighted in red, while top-performing items, like copiers, jump out in green. Another useful feature is filtering. Once slicers are added, the table visual updates automatically, and displays only the matching records. This makes it an excellent visual for exploring detailed business data. To learn more about the Slicer tool, check out our dedicated video linked in the description below. It's important to understand that the table visual displays row-level information. If the goal is to summarize data by category, region, or customer with expandable groups, the matrix visual is usually a better choice. Please find the link to that video in the description. And that's how easy it is to create and customize a table visual in Power BI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Power BI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.